In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Jitter video to YouTube. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, so let's dive right in. We begin by heading over to Jitter. You'll want to navigate to the Drafts section of Jitter and find the project you're interested in exporting. Click on this project to open it. This step is crucial because you need to make sure you are working with the correct content, ready to be transformed into a video format suitable for YouTube. Once you have the project open in Jitter, the next move is to click on the option to export the project into a video. This action essentially converts your Jitter animation or design into a video file format, making it ready for download and upload to various platforms, including YouTube. After you click export, the next step is to download the video. Typically, this action will open in another tab or prompt a download dialog, depending on your browser settings. Make sure to download the file to a place you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. This easy access will come in handy when you upload it to YouTube. Now it's time to head over to YouTube. Go to your YouTube studio. It's the hub where all your creator tools are at your disposal. Once inside the studio dashboard, you're going to click on the option that says Create. This button is typically a familiar sight for any YouTuber, usually highlighted to catch your attention. After hitting Create, look for and click on Upload Videos. This option allows you to upload the file you just exported and downloaded. You'll be brought to the upload screen, where you will be prompted to select a file from your computer. Simply navigate to where you saved your Jitter video file, select it, and it's ready to be configured for YouTube. With your file uploading, take a moment to configure the video settings for optimal viewing on YouTube. This part of the process involves filling in details like the video title, description, tags, and more. These details will help categorize and promote your video once it's live. Make sure to review your privacy settings, choose the appropriate thumbnail, and consider scheduling your video if you're not ready to publish it immediately. And there you have it, your Jitter video is now well on its way to being available to the YouTube community. By following these steps, you've successfully transformed and uploaded a creative project from Jitter into a format ready to engage viewers on YouTube. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next video upload.